Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
For Ayinde Kafayat Adenike, all these students have done extremely well in our ethnic language. The presentation will be done over there. It will be done over there. Can we please proceed to
African languages? The Yoruba level students. Faculty of Arts, University of Ibadan. 400 level students. Let's have her. She goes by the name Alabi Monsurat Oritoke.
The others are going to join as well. The others can join as well.
Others, you can join as well. Okay, baby, what happened? African linguistics, literature, and communication. Lasso. We also have Ayinde Kafayat Adenike, Linguistic African and Asian Studies, Faculty of Arts, University of Lagos.
On behalf of the Office of Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò and Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò Foundation, I hereby present the scholarship, the best indigenous students in Yoruba language in University of Ibadan. Miss Alabi Monsurat Oritoke, a token of 200,000 naira.
It's not easy, 200,000 naira.
Office of Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò and Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò Foundation, I, Ivan Gani Adams, present a scholarship of the best students on language in University of Lagos to Mrs. Miss Ayinde Kafayat Adenike at the token of 200,000 naira.
Let's put your hands together for the general receiver himself. It's not easy. Wow. Onikoyi of Yoruba land, welcome once again. We never die young.
Please, on behalf of Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò Foundation and the Office of Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò, I hereby present this scholarship 2021 best indigenous students in Yoruba language in Lagos State University, Department of Linguistics, African Language Faculty of Arts, Lagos State University, to Mr. Okebemi Taiwo Wahabi for a token sum of 200,000 naira.
Oh, please put your hands together.
We have four students. The fourth student is coming on his way from the University of Ife. So later we do his own presentation. Congratulations. This is the beginning, and I believe annually it will not be a get-together party of birthday. During the birthday period, we'll be trying to make sure we support our young graduates or our young students with a token amount in various disciplines. But we lay priority to Yoruba language because we are ready to promote our identity. We won't allow our identity to go into extinction. Our language is our life. Our language is a way of communication. Our language is our pride. So that was what we are doing here today. Thank you very much.
Let's keep clapping, let's stop clapping for the beginning. A special man from a special generation. NCC members, please let's have you remove all these things, all the gifts. Eba Koko, oh yeah, celebrate dance Nibai. Dr. Larry Teribati ready. He's ready to keep blasting.
Let
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.